Listen up. Jamal was leaving his boy's apartment late at night. Too many stairs, so he hopped in the old-ass building elevator. Hit the button for the lobby. Doors closed. Smooth ride down. At first, then BAM. The lights flickered. The elevator stopped between floors. Dead silence. Jamal sighed, ready to press the emergency button. Then the elevator started moving. Back up. Thing is, he never pressed nothing. Doors slid open on the 6th floor, but the hallway, pitch black. Then a footstep. Software. Slow. Coming closer. Jamal mashed the closed door button over and over, but before it shut, he saw it. A tall, shadowy figure, grinning. Ding. The door shut. The elevator dropped fast. Too fast. Jamal braced himself, ready to hit the ground. Ding! The doors slid open, but it wasn't the lobby. It was the same dark hallway.